How to log in into your ADP employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your ADP employee account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up a web browser and then simply search for ADP employee login. After you do that, you will see its website on the top. This is the one right here. Head over to the logins button. After you do that, you should see this user logins where you can find for employees. Now you can choose whichever you want, or you can, if you just want to sign in, you can head over to the sign in option on the top right corner, and there you should just find your button. You can just find your option here that describes you the best, and yeah, you can just choose whatever you want and tap on next. And after you do that, it will take you to another page. You can let it load, and right here you will need to type in your user ID, and after you type in your user ID, tap on next and then type in your password. After you do that, you'll get logged in into your ADP account. Other than that, if you are a current employee, you can just choose what you want here. So you can choose whatever you want and tap on employee login. As you can see, it will take you to another page again, and right here you can type in your user ID. It's basically the same interface. So type in your user ID here and tap on next and then type in your password. You can tap on remember user ID if you are using your personal device to make your login process easier for the future. And after you type in your password here, you can just tap on the sign in button to sign in into your account. And that is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.